In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can go ahead and delete a character here in GTA 5 Online. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, let's say you're just tired of your current character and you want a fresh start. Here's exactly how you can do that and delete your current one. Begin by opening up the pause menu. If you're on PC, hit escape, or just hit pause if you are on a console. And from here, go ahead and go over to this online tab. Once you are in this online tab, scroll down a little bit, and what you're looking for is either the characters tab, the manage characters tab, or the swap characters tab. It will be named as one of those things. Go ahead and select this. And then it's going to bring you to a page that looks like this because GTA is going to automatically end your current online session and load you into the character management screen. This is only going to take a minute, but whenever that screen does load, you'll see, both of your characters, and here you can switch between them, create a new one, edit, and delete an existing character. At the bottom of your screen, you'll see that option that says delete. Just press that button shown on your screen and delete the selected character, and GTA will ask you to confirm this, letting you know that all your progress, your skills, your attributes for that character are going to be permanently removed, so just keep that in mind. But if you are sure, confirm that deletion and the character will be completely removed from your account. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.